Hello, all my World Ventures friends, or should I say, my You Should Be Here Blue family. Well, I'm going to try to do something I haven't done before. Yeah, and I use the word try. Some people say, no try, only do. Well, listen, you have to try before you do it. Well, I have been signing up people now every day for 4 days in a row, and it's been awesome. So I just want to show you how I've done it and give you a little recipe. I made a PDF file for you guys. I'm going to go through that. See, remember that imperfect action beats no action at all. So you might as well just do it. Get excited. Be excited. Now listen to this. In the last 4 days, I have personally signed in 4 platinum members with the representative package. I have done one each day, and I have another person who is lined up for today. Now these people are from my warm market, my hot market, and with an exception for one person, which was cold, but I made it warm and made it hot. But it doesn't really matter because my recipe is the same for everyone, no matter who. This is what I've been doing and how I've been doing it. It's my online recipe for Skype meetings, Messenger, Zoom meetings, or other online platforms. This recipe works very well for me. It's like a pipeline with a 6-step procedure. You must have the end result in mind when you do this, because then it's duplicatable and it's like cloning yourself. So, number 1, let's see. Build rapport and trust. Now, if you know the person, that's easy. But you have to give the person a lot of compliments and a lot of value. And you have to be excited. And number 2, always be in control of the presentation, the meeting, and the call. Always stay in control because you are the captain of this flight or of this call and of the coming journey ahead if the person signs up. Number 3, ask them or tell them to watch a short 15-minute presentation, or you can call it a trailer like in a movie. It's a video with Jefferson Santos. Then you ask him or you tell him to call you back when they finish watching it or seeing it. Here's the 15-minute presentation. There's a link for the YouTube. It's really, really nice, and it's pretty new. And then number 4, then you ask them, what did you like the best? When they call you back, what did you like the best? Was it the travel part, the business part, or both? Now, if the answer is, I like the travel part, then you go, so did I. Or if they say, I like the business part, you go, wow, so did I. Or if they say, I like both parts, well, then you said, wow, so did I. Then you ask, so you ready to get started? Yeah. And then you shut up until they say something. You must be quiet. They have to talk first. Now, number 5, if they have any questions, you see, when you show the presentation, they're either an A or a B or a C. Now, if they're an A, that's like sign me up right away because I'm an A. If they're a C, well, it's not for me. The timing isn't right. It's not for me. Now, if there's a B, then I have some questions. Then I want some more info. Then you're going to have to work a little harder or play a little harder. So find out if they're A, B, and C. Now, if they have any questions, you have 2 choices. 1, you can send them another presentation video that is a little longer with Jefferson Santos. I think it's like 33 minutes or something. Or the one with Effersini, which is 38 minutes, I think. Or you can call up your sponsor, someone in your upline, or somebody in your group, and put somebody else on the call, like a 3-way call, and let the other person do some answering of some of the questions. This is so we can show people that we do work in a team and as a team. People want to see teamwork. Now, the longer video with Jefferson is 38 minutes, pretty much the same, but there's more testimonials and a little more information. The 33-minute presentation video with Efrosini is really cool. You love it. Okay, number 6. And when they still are interested and want to join, I will also make them watch the Fast Start training with NMD 100K ring earner Sean Cuff. Beautiful video. It shows how to get started fast. I think it's 17 minutes. Really good. Now, I also give them the Facebook web links to World Ventures Facebook page, World Ventures Foundation Facebook page, and the Dream Trips Facebook page. So let them go see those pages. There's a lot of good info, a lot of excitement, testimonials, and stories. Now, last but not least, if they're interested, and I like them and I trust them, I will also put them in our Facebook group called World Ventures Trainings and More, so they can look at all the stories, testimonials, personal development, and everything good about World Ventures. Now, they can't do anything wrong there, and there's a lot of stuff for them to see. What you have to know is the main 3 questions that most people have or should have are, 1, does World Ventures work? Does it work? And the answer is, yes, it does. And we have a lot of third-party documenting on how it works and why it works. Now, the second question a lot of people have, but they don't tell you, is it legal? Some people will say, hey, is it a pyramid? What they're really asking you is it legal? And the answer is, well, yes, it's a pyramid, but it's legal. And we have a lot of third-party documentation to show how and why it's legal. Now, the third question they're asking inside their mind is, can I do this? Can I do it? And the answer is yes, you can do it, but not by yourself and not alone. We have a team that helps each other, and we have World Ventures events. We have to show people that it's teamwork, because when the team works, the dream works. And we have to show people that they don't have to do it by themselves, but we play together, work together. When people get these 3 questions answered, they are mostly good to get started. So we have this in PDF. We also have it in Word documents. So I'll send both of those to you. And when you bring them you want to show them your upline. See, I have 2 Facebook pages. I have Eric Happy Gusevic, which is number 1, and I have Eric Gusevic 2, or Eric Gusevic II. So hook them up with me. Let me introduce them to me, edify me, so I can help you. And also, I have something called a YouTube page. Here, we have a lot of videos. If you look at the videos here, we have presentations, testimonials, stories, personal development. We have Sush, Efrosini, Marquesetta, Matt Morris, quick start trainings, fast start trainings. So here you can find things you need to show people. So you have the YouTube page and the Facebook page. And also, if we go here, you have the World Ventures Training and More. So if you're not in this group, you have to get in right away. This is where all the good stuff is. And all of your members and team players and everybody, you should get them in here. Because here there's a video for everything. Everything people need to know. Okay, well, thank you for listening. I just wanted to show you and tell you that I'm in the sponsoring modus. I'm signing up people. I'm going for RMD. I'm swinging the bat. I've never been so excited in my life. You see, when I started, I told people I was excited. I said, man, you should join me, my friend, because I'm going to put in 10,000 people. And now there's been over 24,000 people in my group. Well, now I'm going to start again, and I'm saying it again. I'm going to put in another 10,000 people. So now you have the ABC 1, 2, 3 or the recipe. I hope it gave you value. Have a beautiful day. You know I love you, and I'm here to help you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.